Welcome to Eucommia, and we're talking about Eucommia ulmotis, that's the botanical name. And this is one of those great, famous traditional Chinese medicine herbs, TCM herbs, often used for treating low back pain, knee pain, fertility issues. It has a broad spectrum of capabilities. But what we're going to look at, particularly in this video, is this capacity for balancing yin and yang. All right, so this is an herb that hits the skeletal system, the endocrine system, and it's often used in formulas for balancing yin and yang. So let's get clear. This can be used for men, women, young, old. It's one of the few herbs in traditional Chinese medicine that's powerful enough, broad spectrum enough, and balancing, this yin-yang balancing component, that it can be used and is used alone. It's often combined with other herbs, but those qualities mean it can often be taken by itself. It's a noted and important herb for Taoist practitioners as well. So it's identified with the kidneys, that's your water element. And the kidneys are considered to be the source of yin and yang in the body. Now, yin is everything that's cooling, moistening, nourishing. Yang is everything that's warming, moving, transforming, lifts up, it protects, it's outward moving, mental, masculine, right? Yin is feminine, inward, yielding, quiet. These are the qualities. So balancing these is of no small thing. And it doesn't mean by balancing that we're talking static, 50-50 sort of situation. We're talking balancing so that things are in flow, so that you've got the yang where you need it and you have the yin where you need it, and in the appropriate amounts of each, if you will. The other key component of this, of the kidneys, is Jing, your essence. This is a big, big topic. And Jing is sort of the root of life. It's the foundation for physical activity. It provides growth, development, reproduction, longevity, resilience. It's the conductor of your inner force, this idea that's used in martial arts and Tai Chi. It can be explosive power, or they say like silk reeling, that ability to flow, roundness, rotational movements. All of this is Jing, and it's some of your original energy, otherwise called sometimes prenatal. In the West, the closest we come to it is with DNA. But Jing has a much, as you can tell from the other descriptors, much broader component to it. And you can see how it's one of what's considered your three treasures: Qi, Jing, and Shen. And of those three, Jing is the most yin. And so here's this herb that helps build and support Jing, but balances yin and yang, because the kidneys are the source of both. You've got the water, so you've got that nourishing part, that cooling part, but you also have this spark of life, this fire, this kidney energy, this yang energy as well. And so you want to be bringing those things into harmony. It's the ability for this to hit yin, yang, Jing by extension is no small healing attribute. You can feel all the kinds of conditions that grow out of those becoming imbalanced, from joint pain to reproductive issues, sperm count. There's all kinds of inclinations, and just when yin and yang are out of balance altogether, emotional kinds of capacities too being impacted. This is a wonderful herb for knowing about and making more use of, and it's tasty. So that's kind of a nice attribute as well. You can stick it into your smoothies and you can cook with it. Lots of different varieties. Check out our website at White Rabbit Institute of Healing to find out more about Eucommia.